Now question number 4. In this question we have to factorize the given polynomial. 12x square minus 7x plus 1. So students, how will you factorize this polynomial? First of all, take the product of these two terms. 12 into 1, that will be equal to 12. And take this next term, middle term, that is minus 7. Here we will find out two numbers so that their product will be equal to 12 and sum will be equal to minus 7. Means product will be 12. You can make the factors of this. I am taking 3 and 4. Now I will decide what symbol will come with it. I need minus 7 as their sum. So I am taking both these minus. Minus 3, minus 4. What you will get? Minus 7. And when you will multiply both these, you will get 12. So we will find two numbers so that their product should be equal to 12 and their sum should be equal to minus 7. So I find these two numbers 3 and 4. Then I will decide about the sign because I need minus 7. So I am taking both the numbers of minus. So I will split this middle term in two terms, 12x square minus 4x minus 3x plus 1. Means what I did here, that is I split this term in two terms, that is minus 4 and minus 3. But with the condition that in product of these two numbers must be equal to the product of these two. Clear, students? Now take common terms from here. What you can take common from here? 4x. So what is left behind? 3x. And from here minus 1. From here you can see that this term is minus 3x plus 1. And this is 3x minus 1. If I am taking common minus 1 from here, what you are getting? 3x minus 1. So students, you can see these two terms are same. So right here 3x minus 1. What is left from here? That is 4x, and from that side minus 1. So these two, 3x minus 1 and 4x minus 1, are the factors of this polynomial. Clear? Now after this, second part. Question 4, second part. In this given polynomial, that is 2x square plus 7x plus 3. Do the same thing, students. Take the product of coefficient of x square and constant term, that is 2 into 3, that is 6. And what is middle term? 7. Means I need two numbers whose product is 6 and sum is 7. So I am taking 6 and 1. When you will multiply both these, 6 into 1, what you are getting? 6. And when you are adding these, 6 plus 1, you are getting 7. So our conditions are fulfilled here. So I am taking 6 and 1. What I can write at the place of 7x? 6x plus x plus 3. Take 2x common. What is left? X plus 3. And the same term is here, so I will take this plus 1, x plus 3. From here you can take common x plus 3 and then you can write 2x plus 1. So these are the factors of part second. Clear, students? I hope all things are clear to you. You are getting the things. And if you are not getting, then you can watch the videos 2 times, 3 times. Now coming third part, that is px equals to 6x square plus 5x minus 6. The same thing you will repeat from here. 6 into minus 6. What you are getting as a product? Minus 36. You will take this sign with the terms and sum must be equal to 5. Product must be equal to minus 36. So you can make the factors. If you can't find these factors directly, then do one thing, students. This is 36. So I will make the factors. 2 18s are, 2 9s are, 3 3s are. Now I will make the pair of these factors. What I need sum H5. This is clear, product of these is 36. So we have to arrange the numbers so that we can get sum equals to 5. So I am making the pair of 3 and 3 and 2 and 2. You can see this is 9 and this is 4. But one more thing is here. We have to decide the sign of these two numbers. This is minus 36. This is plus 5. It is clear that one term will be of plus and one term will be of minus. So how can you decide this thing? Check this term. This is plus. So take the larger number plus and smaller number minus, and you can see 9 4 ja 36 plus minus minus. So your answer will be minus 36, and when you add these two terms you will get 5. So split the terms. 6x square plus 9x minus 4x minus 6. You can see from here also what you are getting, 5. Now take 3x common from here. What is left? 2x plus 3. Then again from here you can take minus 2. What is left? 2x plus 3. So this 2x plus 3 is one factor, and second factor is 3x minus 2. So this is our final answer for the third part. Now I will do fourth part of this question. The polynomial for fourth part, that is 3x square minus x minus 4. The same thing you will do from here. 3 4s are minus 12, means product will be equal to minus 12 and sum will be equal to minus 1. So you will take 4 and 3 and decide which number will be of plus and which number will be of minus. As the sum is minus 1, so take this 4 minus and this 3 of plus. So I am doing here 3x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 4. But you can take common from here, only x. What is left behind? 3x minus 4 plus 1, 3x minus 4. So one factor is 3x minus 4. Another factor is x plus 1. So this was your question 4.